Hi, this is Bill with Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of this. Electro Voice is one of my sponsors, as well as the Entertainment Experience, which you can find at entertainment-experience.com. I've got a regular workshop once a year. If you want to know more about it, you can reach out to me personally or go through the website if you want. Today, I'm going to talk about something that I talk to my guys in my workshop about on a regular basis. The concept that less is more. And honestly, less is more is about everything you do. Your volume for your gig. Yeah, you can turn it up, but believe it or not, you have more clients happy that it's not too loud than it is loud. So when it comes to volume, less is more. Your lighting. Oh my gosh. I love lights. They're cool. There's lots of them out there that you can attach to what you do to make your show really amazing. And the more that's in a room, the more I'm aware that the lights are there, and the more that I have people that can be annoyed by them. But they're made so well now that 1 or 2 lights can do the work of 50. So in the world of lights, I believe less is more. When you talk to your clients about what you're going to do, when you do your sales, you can spend a lot of time telling them all the amazing things that you do when you do what you do. And that meeting and that thing can sound like you are just a talkative guy over and over and over, talking about yourself all the time. Or you can be very specific and very confident about who you are and what you do and say it in very few words, because when it comes to a sales meeting, less is actually more. When you come out in front of an audience full of people to welcome them to an event, and you stand there and say, "Hi, my name is, and this is the event," there's lots of things that you think you need to communicate. But what you want is some sort of a way for them to be affected by who you are and what you do for them. And believe it or not, what you tell them and how much you tell them is very important. So, "Hi, my name is, and it'll be great tonight," is oftentimes more powerful than everything you could tell them. So when it comes to using the mic in front of an audience, less is more. Now, how do you get to less when you have more? Well, it comes down to that one question that I tell everyone to ask on a regular basis. When you're about to do something, when you're about to add lights, when you're about to do sales, when you're about to do planning, when you're about to speak in front of an audience or set up the equipment and the lights, you need to ask, why do I need it? Why is this important? And when you understand why, then you can find out that you can do a lot less to get to the purpose of why. This is a longer conversation for many people who have never gone this far and deep into what they do. Or it's pretty short if you just really simply think about, why am I doing this? Why is it important? And why do they care? Anyway, I should stop because we're 3 minutes in, and this is more than it should be. Because less it's more.